Oh. All right, guys, we're going for it on 6S, the HPI Maverick QuantumR Flux. It has a SpeedTek 35 tooth spool in it, speed spool, with a 30 tooth pinion. We are, what do we got? Spectrum 6S ESC 2900 kV Poseidon motor. And I do have all my radio link all hooked up. Let's turn the extender on so we get the extension we want, and we're going to try this. All right, I have the steering turned down already. First time on 6S, guys, so make sure you look at it, enjoy it while you can, because it might not be in one piece when I come back. So we got 12 satellites. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Stop, read, zeroed out, track, start. Okay, it's tracking. Let's see, it's moving. Okay, let's see, let's go in here. Let's go to dual rate. I know it's pretty far down, so yeah, it's at 36 right now, so let's, oh yeah, I'm going to try to go down as far as I can. Okay, so I think we're lined up. I don't see any cars coming. I saw a car going over there, but it might have been on the other street. So let's give her a little quick rip, see what we got here, guys. Oop, I couldn't see how straight it was. Oh, right up on the curb. Oh, right up on the curb. Ah. Yeah, this thing's a handful. 6S, guys. Probably turn the brakes up just a hair on this one. Seems to roll. Let's see if we beat. It's kind of crazy there, so let's stop. Read. 79. Went up a little bit. We're closer to that 80 that I've been trying to hit forever, so I can hit that easy, guys. Let's go. Let's read that, save that, because that is a record for me. New PB. Okay. Let's go track, start, and we're going to leave it at that 79, just so we get a reference. And that looks a little better. The steering seemed to be off a little bit on this one. So hard to see down there, guys. I am colorblind, so to a certain extent I can see colors, but I can't see the shades. So like down there, If I just left it there and walked away and came back, I couldn't tell which way it was facing. I need to put like lights on my cars or something. So, all right, let's try this again, guys. See if we can keep it straight down there. See, I can't tell how straight it is. Oh. I think the see, now it's going hard right. Man, I always have bad luck with steering on these cars. Trying to get them to go straight every time. All right, let's see what she's got, guys. Oh. Yeah, my wing's off there. That was bad. I turned the rate off, or the gyro off to see, and that didn't help. I just gotta barely turn that on. Let's read it. Stop, read. Yeah, it's still 69. Okay, track, start. Alright. Yeah, so let's turn that back up a little bit. Yeah. Alright, let's do or die now, guys. Stop, read. 72. Stop, read. Stop, read. Track, start. Tracking. We're just gonna rip this that thing's pretty much done. The wing's finally done, guys. Now we got fucking Amazon down there. She looks like she's leaning for some reason. Let's pull her in and see what. Maybe the body's coming off or something here. Has hit the wall a couple times. She smells like she's warm, guys. Let's shut her down for a little bit and let her cool off. So I'll be back. All right, guys, I pulled the top off, and yeah, the motor's just smoking. Not smoking, but it's hot. Let me see if I can pull this out for you guys or not. I think I do have my air gun and my heat gun, my temp gun. So let's do a little reading. Oh yeah, 204. 190, yeah, it's burning up, guys. So it is only a 5S, so I'm gonna stop here. Yeah, I should have just done one run and then stopped. This getting be a handful on 6S, but I'm gonna still keep trying, guys. I'm gonna go put a I think I have a 2900 kV motor sitting there. No, 2050 kV with arrmas. So I'm gonna put that in this and then try that, because this is the motor's just getting too hot. I'll do one run and stop. But yes, it's gonna be a handful getting this thing up above 80, guys. It's the body's a little too much. I think we might try to look into maybe getting a different body for it, so we can make it go faster. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know what do you think, if we can try to get a new body for this thing to get it to go a little faster. But I mean, I don't know, it's a fun car. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and like I said, ring the bell. Subscribing is free. Ring the bell, that's free too. Then you can see my videos when they pop up. So I'll be doing a couple more of this one too, for sure. So guys, have a great day.